Okay, so how do we do it? How do we graph these? So we're supposed to, again, I'm going to suggest, let's just do the 4 graphs. So I'm going to take them one at a time. Let me grab this one and come on over here. This is y equals 1/4 x. I'm just going to make a little xy chart here. So start with 0, plug in 0. Y will equal 1/4 to the 0. Now remember the rule, a 0 power on anything just makes it 1. So that's 0, 1. Then plug in a 1. What do you get? 1/4 to the 1, which is just 1/4. So which graph looks like it has the point over 0 up 1? That has over 0 up 1. And over 1 up a 4. That looks good actually, doesn't it? That one looks right. I don't think any other ones do. This is down 1, down 1. This is up 1, but this is over 1 up 2. So that's different. Yeah. So coincidentally, A goes right there, doesn't it? Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Just here. Here we go. Okay, so for the next one, we will bring this one down. Y equals minus, and then we have 1/4 to the x. Okay, let's make an xy chart. Again, x0, plug in 0, minus 1/4 to the 0. That's just, well, I'll just do it right here. That's just going to equal -1, isn't it? The 0 power turns the 1/4 into the 1, and the -1 is still there. Now plug in 1. 1/4 to the 1, that's just -1/4. So over 1 down 1/4. Yeah, it looks like they're matching up here. Over 1 down 1/4 and over 0 down 1. Yeah, that's perfect. That's the one. So that's B. So far they're going in order. There's a 50-50 chance that they'll keep going in order here. Right? There's only 2 left and there's 2 options. So let's see what happens. Okay, so then part C, which is a little thicker than I wanted. So grab this one and down. So y equals minus 2 to the x. What's going to happen there? Well, xy chart, plug in 0. Y is minus 2 to the 0, which is -1, right? Over 0 down 1, and then plug in 1 minus 2 to the 1, which is -2. So that's -2, isn't it? So over 0 down 1 and over 1 down 2. Yeah, look at that. They went in perfect order. There we go. Now, this is C right here. This was B, this was A. The last one has to be D, but let's do it anyway. Let's make sure we're understanding all the concepts here. Excuse me. Grab D. D's here, here was C, here was B, and here was A. And so on D, we have y equals just 2 to the x. So xy chart, put in a 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. Anything to 0 power is 1. And plug in 1. 2 to the 1 is just 2. So over 0 up 1. Yep, over 1 up 2. Perfect. This one's D right there. So there it is. So you can graph these by just making an XY chart. Just plug in X is 0 and X is 1, find the Y values, and you'll know which graphs go with which equations.